Good evening. Namaste. When was the last time you got to experience a wonderful party over a weekend and also get to learn some powerful, life changing tools and techniques to heal your life? That's exactly what Sparkle Mind Studio brings to you this weekend on the 29th and 30th of July 2023. We are offering these transformative 2 days workshop based on the philosophy of Louise Hay's work on learning to heal your life. At any given time, we are dealing with many things, and as human beings, we find success in our career. We might have a wonderful partner and some amazing relationships inside of the family, in our workplaces, and we might have cracked many ways to make a lot of money, invite abundance into our lives, and we could be doing many things right to keep ourselves healthy and invite vital energy, right? And yet, at times, we could be dealing with breakdowns. There could be some painful memories, there could be some traumatic experiences of the past that are calling the shots. There could be some negative beliefs that are sapping our energy. There could be something that is beyond our understanding, beyond our logical reasoning for us to find out as to what is it that is stopping us from flourishing? What is it that is stopping us from creating a life full of vibrance and joy and ease? Now, it would be good to engage in a like-minded communities, work where we discuss, learn, introspect, and get to figure out what are our patterns that could be hampering our growth and development, right? And despite having picked up a lot of knowledge, skills, and many tools and techniques over the years, we could still be playing very small because of some conditioning of the past. As a child, if you were told that you can't make it, you're pathetic at doing something, or you're a clumsy boy or a shabby girl, and if that stayed within without having to be processed and released appropriately, it could be in some ways scarring the person that you are in the present day. And these 2 days might be the beginning of the rest of your lives where you get a lot of freedom to reconnect with that magnificent self of yours and doing away with those negative beliefs that have been limiting in many ways. And there are different segments that we walk participants through these 2 days programs where we get to learn different ways in which we could invite abundance. We could be doing very well in our careers and yet struggling to expand the career in some ways or make more money than we are already doing at this point. So there could be something stopping us, like some fears of if I grow beyond a certain point, there could be some threat to personal life or threat to property. It may not stay forever, or this may be taken away from me, and things like that, right? So we learn to look beyond these fears, go beyond these anxiety that we may pick up due to some beliefs again underlying these behaviors, and it will be appropriately released. And you may find ways to expand your business or invite more money. And there are some powerful techniques that we go through in order to invite joy and harmony in our relationships. There could be times if we lose trust in the people in our lives, we could lose faith in our own selves, we could lose the joy and spark in our relationships, right? This could be a reminder to tell us how to come together, to look at the person go beyond their behaviors, go beyond what they could be projecting due to some of the things that they are dealing with in their lives, right? And to connect with the essence in the person. And we find ways to connect with other beings at the conscious level and the subconscious level, which works even more powerfully, right? And there will be ample reasons for you to start loving yourself, because in any case, our outer reality is a reflection of our inner world. So when we learn to heal our inner world, we get to see the results manifesting in our outer world corresponding. Yes, so to create that life of joy, power, and freedom, please do join us over the weekend and celebrate. Learn to celebrate, go beyond your limitations of the past, and to begin to create that powerful future along with a tribe, a community of like minded people. How good that can be. So do join